This California weather is just getting kind of tired of it. But so here we are, we're just off Alameda, and we're gonna go check out Little Tijuana, or Little Mexico. Over here is just this is Chinatown, just on the border between the two. So let's go check it out. Today, Olvera Street is home to more than 36 restaurants, vendors, and public establishments. The American Planning Association named it one of the top 5 great streets in the United States for 2015. This Latin America themed, I would say, outdoor walking mall is about a block long. And here you can get stuff, anything from guitars or little trinkets to souvenirs that you would find on the Mexican-U.S. border. Actually, I've been shooting all the Baja Diaries from here. This is just the studio backlot, you know. This is the tour. This is the tour. All the Baja Diary videos shot here on Olvera Street. Okay.
They got shops, restaurants.
Okay, and there's nothing besides the street, right?
No,
that's
this
it?
is the major one.
Okay.
The other side is just main street is just like museums, but right now they're closed. The main one is here, which is shops and restaurants.
What would you say the best time to come here is during the day? Or is it doesn't really matter, it depends?
During the day is better because it's more people.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter. I mean, like around afternoon is fine. Like maybe if you come afternoon,
okay,
like around 1, 2 o'clock, it's gonna be always busy here. It's packed.
Okay.
And nighttime, because it's getting colder, it's like people are trying to get out. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, right now it's okay too. It's not bad.
Okay.
You can check it out.
Thank you. Thank you. This place is cool. This is like if you don't want to drive all the miles and hours to the border and go shopping right there at the border, you can just come here and get your Mexican blankets or your sombreros. Before we left, I just wanted to give an honorable mention to Chinatown, which is right there. So if you're there during the day, it's a great place to go see all kinds of different culture in that area. But since it was nighttime, there wasn't a lot open. So we moved forward, got on the bike, and headed over to Little Tokyo. This is where you get your produce.
Okay, beautiful. A balloon.
A balloon? Little Tokyo is still a cultural focal point for Los Angeles's Japanese American population. It is mainly a work, cultural, religious, restaurant, and shopping district with all kinds of good stuff to check out. Little Tokyo can be found in roughly 5 large city blocks. It is bounded on the west by Los Angeles Street, on the east by Alameda, on the south by 3rd Street, and on the north by 1st Street. So, that's awesome.
It's pretty good.
So they bring everything out to you, and then you just...
They cook it already for you. And this is just for show, I think.
Oh, really?
It's like a little more. They're not really cooking it. Maybe they're afraid that you'll miss it. But it's pretty good.
Awesome.
I believe everyone should run. Everyone.